Hello there. This video will show you how to complete session 3, learning activity 2, adding a new entry to a database. The first thing I want you to do is to make sure that you read these two links here. Okay? Once you've read them, I want you to simply go and open your evidence report and simply type your answers in. It says explain why new data is entered into a database. Be careful and make sure that you give examples of what you're talking about. Once you're done with that, you will then need to actually enter data into a database. To do this, once again, please make sure you refer to your task sheet and refer to learning activity 2, which is right here. This is learning activity 2. It says adding a new entry to a database. It asks you to add a new entry to a database. Okay, the information has been given. Simply read it and enter the information. I'm going to show you how. Simply go into your AO6 folder and find the hosts file which you downloaded earlier. Double click it. Okay, so I'm going to double click hosts. That is going to open Microsoft Access. Okay, once that opens, I'm going to maximize it so it fills my screen. You need to click on enable content, and you need to click and double click on the host table to open the table. So this is it here. We are now going to enter a new entry. Let's look at our task sheet and see what is required of us. It says add a new entry to the database. A new host family has just joined the exchange scheme. They live in the Saint-Germain district and can accommodate 2 guests. They offer a vegetarian cuisine, have 1 child, and speak English. Their rating is excellent and they have been allocated reference F1300. Add a new record for this host family. It's simple. It's right here. This is what it will look like. So host reference should be F1300, district, guest, cuisine, old children, rating, and English spoken. To make this a little bit easier, I suggest you minimize your task screen, okay, and put that up. Minimize your database. That way you can multitask on the same screen. So I'm just going to minimize my database and my task sheet. I'm going to scroll down to activity 2 so I can see what I'm doing, and then make sure you scroll down on your database. Scroll down till you come to the bottom of your database. You see where this star is right here. This is where we're going to start entering our data from. I'm going to just go back to my task sheet and I'm going to start. The first one says host reference is F1300. Double click host reference and enter F1300. The district is Saint-Germain, so my French is not that good, but as far as I can remember, it's pronounced Saint-Germain. Guests is 2. Cuisine is vegetarian. Own children is 1. Rating is excellent. And it says English spoken, this one here. If you tick the box, it means it's true, and if the box is not checked or ticked, it means it's not true. So I'll tick the box because it's true. I will then go and click on the save button, and I have saved what I've just done. You need to do this and take screenshots, and you need to paste it on your evidence report on learning activity 2, enter data in a database. That is what you need to do with screenshots and explanations. So 2 things. Explain why new data is entered in a database. That's part 1. And then second, enter new data into a database, take screenshots, give explanations, paste it in this section. Go and do it now. Thank you.